Hello, welcome. Let's look at this JAMB past questions biology 2018. Question number 6. What is the function of trichocyst in Paramecium? A. Movement. B. Defense. C. Excretion. D. Reproduction. Now, for us to be able to appreciate this question very well, we need to know what a paramecium is. Paramecium is that organisms that has this shape. That is the shape of a paramecium. So on the body of the paramecium we have things like this. And these are called cilia, and this cilia is used for movement. Cilia is used for movement and getting food, both movement and getting food to the paramecium. Now we also have what we call the anapores, and this anapore is used for excretion. Anapore is used for excretion. Then inside here we have what we call the micronucleus, and the bigger ones known as macronucleus. The micronucleus is used for reproduction through a process known as meiosis, as is division. So the part that is used for reproduction is micronucleus. Now we also have what we call a spindle-like body. We also have spindle-like body inside called trichocyst, and these trichocysts are actually spindle-like bodies filled with dense refractive fluid containing swelled substances, and they are actually used for defense. The trichocysts are used for defense. So those are the parts of the paramecium. Also important to note in the paramecium is what we call the contractile vacuole. The contractile vacuole. This is also used for excretion, but it's actually for excreting excess water. Use it to remove excess water. So from this we can see that the answer is B. The trichocyst is actually for defense. That is what the trichocyst does. The trichocyst, this is the trichocyst, it is used for defense, and that makes B the answer. For movement, it's used the cilia, for excretion the anapore, and the contractile vacuole, for reproduction the micronucleus. So B is the right answer, and this is the diagram of a paramecium. It's an eukaryote. So this is diagram showing the various parts and functions. These are the parts of the function. Very important to note is also this boundary is known as the pellicle. This pellicle is what actually covers the body and gives it its shape. So pellicle gives the paramecium its shape. Yes, so B is the answer because trichocyst is actually used for defense. Thank you.